guys, we are in Central Park. We are in a park that I love so much. It's basically in the center of the town, so we decided to come here for our Sunday, and we're just chilling here, having a little drink and eating some cookies and reading some book. I also got my watercolor painting materials. I have my paper and everything. I don't know what to draw yet, so I will just go randomly and make something spontaneous. Hello from Monday. I just started this week, usual and different. Today is Monday. I just finished my work and now I'm about to go to a few places to buy some stuff for dinner because we have guests. My parents are visiting and I really miss them. They're actually living far away from me and they're gonna open the summer house, so we will be really close to each other during the summer period of time and also spring and the autumn. Today's dinner, I'm thinking about going for, fish and some salad and some little other appetizers kind of things. Like I will try to make them prepare, but I have such limited time for that. I better just hurry up and go. I have no idea what I just said, but yeah, this is pretty much my grocery store outfit. Check. It's like summer, almost 30 degrees outside. Bye. I know, right? Yeah, that's right. We are in our summer house. The weather is gorgeous. It's like spring again. It's holiday here, so we decided to come to our summer house, which is quite close. With the public transportation, we can come here like in 3 hours or something. And we have just a few days here It's really nice to be by the seaside, even if it's like we are living like that in the city. It's like much more peaceful place that we are in right now, and there are like a lot of forests and pine trees. That's why it smells so great in the morning, during the whole day actually, smelling really nice. It really cleanses the breath. I feel so peaceful here. And the summer house is new, like I don't have any childhood memories or anything here. It's been 3 years that since we bought this place, and I feel like it's like home, and I really enjoy just being here. Oh, we're gonna have barbecue tonight, which is quite exciting, and we're gonna have a trip to the forest, and it's also by the sea, so it's like you have the view of the forest and the sea at the same time, which is like the perfect combination for me. And we're gonna do a little bit of reading. I will take my journal with me, and yeah, the sun, it feels great. Back home. Hey guys, as you can see, I'm in my kitchen. I'm back home trying to focus this camera. Ignore the Nutella, we're gonna go healthy for today's recipe. So I will do artichoke, and it's gonna be stuffed with the rice, I must say I don't really have that much of an experience to cook this meal, but I've tried 2 or 3 recipes and I ended up doing my way. I'm gonna be making these babies. How cute you are! Honestly, this can be a little bouquet for, you know, a wedding or something. You can hold this. Great suggestion. So I'm just gonna finish this video with a good recipe so you can maybe find something like that and get some inspiration for your dinner or lunch, or who knows, maybe breakfast if that's work for you. So I'm just gonna listen my podcast. I have to say, I'm not a podcast person. It was really surprising for me to start listening some podcasts. I'm listening What's the Juice. If you haven't heard it yet, oh no, what? Wait. Oh, turn on notifications? Okay. Yeah, no problem. This podcast is from a couple who lives in New York City. Their name is Alia Zaitsa and Yoni Ikodo. Yoni is a photographer. Alia is a content creator. I actually know her from the YouTube videos. They're pretty good and pretty fun. I love to watch that all the time. They are really inspiring, by the way. I discovered their podcast channel. Why do I like this podcast? Because it's fun. I'm not gonna lie, it is fun, it is easy to listen, it is also so relatable, and I also get a really nice different kind of perspective on the subjects. They both have similar ideas and they have so much in common, but I just love how they put things in perspective that are really different from each other. You should check it out and see all the subjects. The one that I'm gonna be listening right now is How Often Do You Lie? I've never think about how often do I lie. Now I have to because I'm listening to this. Just go and check it out and I hope you like it too.